Tara, mag-inom na lang tayo, pre. Maganda yun.
Patis tayo?
Ano lang. Oh, sige, tara. Oh, ano, tapos kahit iksinom.
Go!
Saan pa tayo?
Kain muna tayo. Tara. Oh, tara, sige, tara.
Ay, pre, si Albert pala, pre. oh.
Pre!
Pre, nandiyan ka pala.
Sama ka sa amin, pre.
Ay mo na.
Albert, pre. Sama
Oy,
ka sa amin.
pre, saan punta nyo?
Inuman, ito pa nakita yun para meron ka. Ay, malaya.
Ay, dapat.
Palis tayo.
Oo nga eh, mukhang masaya yung lakad nyo ah.
Talaga masaya.
Pero mukhang di ako makakapunta, nag-aaral pa kasi ako eh.
Layan.
Tsaka gagawa pa ako ng mga assignment.
Babalik din naman tayo. Minsan lang yung pre.
Lagi naman ako napapagalitan ni sir, hindi na ako nakapasok sa first subject lagi.
Hindi naman.
Last na to, promise. Ngayon lang.
Saka mas masaya, marami tayo.
KJ ka. Mo. Halika na.
Ano ka, chicken joy?
Pero kagapon.
Sama na tayo, minsan lang naman yan, hindi ko naman ako.
Alam mo Arlene, hindi ko kayang lokohin magulang ko. At ang isa pa,
Kasi ano, buntis.
kailangan ko makagraduate.
Gagraduate naman tayo. Nag-graduate ka pag uminom tayo. Oo,
Graduate tayo, minsan lang ako nangangalit pa.
Pag di ka sumama,
Pasensya na kayo mga pre, di talaga ako makakasama eh.
Okay, yan ang mahirap sa'yo, pre.
Bala ka dyan, be a good boy na lang.
Kaya good boy.
O mga tropa, saan punta nyo?
Kaya ngayon, Padis.
Sige ba, mukhang maganda yan ah.
Yung alam talaga yan. Pero hindi.
Pero na-agbatara nyo, ang video mo na, minsan lang naman to.
Oo nga naman, Bert.
Oo nga, Bert.
Pasensya na kayo, hindi na talaga ako makakasama eh.
Hindi, kay Jay ka talaga. Bala ka nga dyan.
Next time na lang ako. Sama.
Good boy na lang ulit. Sige na, sige na.
Ingat.
Magbutihan mo yung pag-aaral mo.
Upo na tayo.
Ingat na lang, ingat.
Sabay na lang, mga tropa. Pinasa lang.
Bukas na lang.
I'm Jonathan Basarte, and I'm here to present to you the linear functions. Do you remember the form of linear functions is fx is equal to mx plus b, and the fx is the y, the m is the slope, and the b is the y-intercept. Another way of describing a functions is by using equations. The linear functions can be described as polynomials 1 degree. The equation of the form ax plus by is equal to c can be written in fx is equal mx plus b. How to solve it? What we have here? The equation ax plus by is equal to c. So, how to be written in the y form? So this is it. First, copy the equation ax plus by is equal to c. Then, add negative ax to both sides. Ax plus negative ax plus by is equal to negative ax plus c. Then, cancel out. The remaining is by. Then, divide it both sides with b. by over b is equal to negative ax plus c all over b. Then, cancel out the b, and the remaining is the y is equal to negative ax over b plus c over b. Then the ax is the m or the slope, and the cb is the y-intercept or the b. So, let's say how to solve the equations in, so let's try some example here. So we have here 4x minus 5y is equal to 20. Like I've said, copy the equation 4x minus 5y is equal to 20. Then add negative 4x to both sides. 4x plus negative 4x minus 5y is equal to negative 4x plus 20. Then cancel out, like I've said. The remaining is negative 5y. Then, divide it both sides with negative 5 to be cancelled. Then, cancel out. The remaining is y is equal to 4 over 5x minus 4. So, the 4 over 5 is the slope. And the negative 4 is the y-intercept. Hope you got it? So, here, I'm Jonathan Basarte. For Faith, I'm Jonathan Basarte. Thank you for watching. I hope you understand it. And thank you and goodbye. Good day.